Video we will discuss Spearman correlation coefficient. It is also known as Spearman rank rule method. First developed by Charles Edward Spearman in 1904 based on qualitative data, namely beauty, honesty, intelligence can be computed. Such type of variable can be assigned rank, but their quantitative measurement is not possible. Thus, rank correlation coefficient is used in such cases. Formula for calculating rank correlation is R, capital R, used for denoting Spearman rank rule method. R is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n bracket में n square minus 1. It is also 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon में n cube minus n, where R is rank coefficient of correlation, D difference between two ranks, that is R1 minus R2, n number of pair of observations. The value of rank correlation coefficient always lies between -1 and +1. Let's see an example. In this example, judge X and judge Y are given. That is, R1 and R2 is given. R1 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4. R2 7, 5, 4, 1, 3, 2, 6, 8, where total number of observation is 8. So first we find to D. D R1 minus R2. So 8 minus 7 plus 1. 7 minus 5 plus 2. 6 minus 4 plus 2. 3 minus 1 plus 2. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 4 minus 8 minus 4. So the total of sigma d square is 0. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Plus 2 minus 2. 2 plus 2 4 and minus 4. So sigma d is 0. Then we find d square. D square is 1, 2 का square 4, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, minus 1 into minus 1 1, minus 1 into minus 1 1, minus 4 into minus 4 16. So sigma d square is 32. Put the figure in the formula. R is equals to 1 minus sigma 6 sigma d square upon में n bracket में n square minus 1. So 6 into sigma d square is 32. n is 8 n square. अभी हमने फॉर्मूला देखा था, जब हम लोग इसको देखते हैं तो हमने सिंप्लीफाई कर लिया था n क्यूब माइनस n. सो n इज़ 8, 8 क्यूब माइनस 8. सो 1 minus 192 divided by 504. So 1 minus 0.381. So the answer is 0.619. The answer lies in positive 1. Moderate degree of positive relationship between the two judges. Let's see the next example. Given industry, rank according to profit and working capital. Industry given है A, B, C, D, E, F, 2P 16 industries. Profit 1 to 16. Working capital 13, 16, 14, 15, 10, 12, 4, 11, 5, 9, 8, 3, 1, 6, 7, 2. So first we find D. D is R1 minus R2. So 1 minus 13 minus 12. 2 minus 16 minus 14. 3 minus 14 minus 11. 4 minus 15 minus 11. 5 minus 10 minus 5. 6 minus 12 minus 6. 7 minus 4 plus 3. 8 minus 11 minus 3. 9 minus 5 plus 4. 10 minus 9 plus 1. 11 minus 8 plus 3. 12 minus 3 plus 9. 13 minus 1 plus 12. 14 minus 6 plus 8. 15 minus 7 plus 8. 16 minus 2 plus 4. The total of D is 0. Find D square. Simply square D. 12, 144, 196, 121. 11 square 121, 25, 36, 9, 9, 16, 1, 9, 18, 144, 64, 64, 196. It's 14. So 14 square is 196. The total of D square is 1236. We put the figures in the formula. So R is denoted by rank correlation is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma D square upon में n multiply n square minus 1. So 1 minus 6 sigma D square is into 1236 divided by n. N is 16. So 16 into में 16 square minus 16. So 1 minus 7416 divided by 4080. Solve करके then 1 minus 1.8176. So the R is 0.8176. Lies in positive 1. So this is your answer of rank correlation method. Now move on to the merits of rank rule method. First, this method is also applicable for quantitative data. This method can be applied to irregular data also. This method is simple and easier as compared to the Karl Pearson method. Now, demerits of rank rule method. This method can be applied to ungrouped data only. The ranking procedure involved ignore the actual magnitude of data, and as such the result obtained are only approximate because the effect of extreme value is almost ignored. Last, the computation procedure become difficult as the number of paired observation increases. We have done Spearman rank rule method, meaning, uses and its merits and demerits.